So hi everyone, today in this video I will explain some questions. So these questions are from theory of equations and it was asked in 2019 and next questions also asked in 2019. Okay, so let us start. So first of all, what is given in that question? In that question it is given that lambda is the ratio of the roots of quadratic equation of this, then find the least value for m which satisfy this equation. So suppose alpha and beta, these two are the root of this equation. Then what we know, alpha plus beta, sum of the roots will be minus b by a. That means here b is our this minus m into m minus 4 divided by a 3m square, and also alpha beta is equals to, that is product of the root equals to c by a, that means 2 by 3 m square. This is given, and now it is also given that lambda plus 1 by lambda equals to 1. That means lambda is our alpha by beta plus 1 by lambda means beta by alpha equals to 1, implies that alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta equals to 1, right? If we take LCM and multiply, so implies that alpha square plus beta square, this will be alpha beta. So this is implies that alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equals to alpha beta. So this is implies that alpha plus beta whole square equals to 3 alpha beta, implies that, so alpha plus beta is our minus m into, so minus m into m minus 4 upon 3m square whole square equals to 3 into alpha beta means 2 by 3m square. Now this is implies that m square into m minus 4 whole square by 3 square m square equals to, this will get cancelled, and 2 by m square. Now m square cannot be 0 because if m square is 0, then it is not a quadratic equation, it will be a monic polynomial of left side, then it will not a quadratic equation. Okay, so m not equals to 0, that means is into the power 4, so m not equals to 0. So this is implies that m square, so m, this m square and this m square will get cancelled and this will get cancelled, so m minus 4 whole square equals to 9 into 2, implies that m minus 4 whole square equals to 3 root 2. So that is implies that m minus 4 is 3 root 2, so m is equals to plus minus 3 root 2, so m is equals to 4 plus minus 3 root 2. Now we need what we need, so we need at least value of m. So least value of m, so least value means 4 minus 3 root 2 or 4 plus 3 root 2, 2 value. Now this is least, so it will be our answer 4 minus 3 root 2. So C number option is correct. And let's go to the second question. So second question is what? Second question is this was the second question. So in that question what is given? Same one root is of quadratic equation of this is cube of another root. Suppose one root is alpha, then another root will be alpha cube, and so alpha plus alpha cube equals to minus this k by 81, and alpha into alpha cube is 256 by 81 c by a. So this is implies that alpha to the power 4 equals to 4 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4, implies that alpha is equals to 4 by 3. Now from this equation 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 whole cube equals to minus k by 81, implies that 4 by 3 plus 64 by 27 equals to minus k by 81, implies that 27, so this will be 36 plus 64 equals to minus k by 81, implies that 100 equals to minus k by 3, this will get cancelled, it will be 3, so implies that k will be minus 300. So which option is correct? Our D option is correct. Okay, now let's take another question. So this is another question. So the number of integral value of the m of this quadratic equation. Okay, so you have to find the integral value for m for which this expression has always positive root. So for positive root of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, for positive root of this equation what we need? A greater than 0 and d, that is discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, this will be less than 0. So comparing this equation with this, what we get? So we need a greater than 0. That means 1 plus 2m. Here a is 1 plus 2m. So this will be greater than 0. So implies that m greater than minus half. And also this will be less than 0. So b square means here minus 2 into 1 plus 3m whole square minus 4 into 1 plus 2m into c means 4 into 1 plus m. This will be less than 0. So implies that this means 4 into 1 plus 6m plus 9m square minus 4 in 16 into 1 plus m plus 2m plus 2m square. Right? This is less than 0. So implies that means 4 plus 24 plus 36 m square minus 16 minus 48 m minus 32 m square less than 0. That means implies that, so it will be 4m square minus, so this will be m, so this will be 24m minus 12 less than 0. So implies that m square minus 6m minus 3 less than 0. Now we can write this is as m minus 3 whole square. So we take 1 9, so minus 12 less than 0. So that means m minus 3 whole square less than 12. So that is m minus 3 mod m minus 3 less than 12, not 12, 2 root 3. So this means implies that minus 2 root 3 less than m minus 3 less than 2 root 3. So that is 3 minus 2 root 3 less than m less than 3 plus 2 root 3. Right? So we are taking the value, we have to take the value of this and this intersection. So that means what is the value of root 3? Root 3 is 1.723 into 3 into 2. So this will be 4, 6 and 4.3. That means this is minus something, minus of 0.16464, like this. So we need the value of integral values. So integral value will be what? Here minus 0.4 and here minus 0.5. So that means we take the value from 0, 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 up to what? So this value is 3 plus this is 3.464. So that means 6.464. That means it can take value up to 6. That means 6. So how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 7. So 7 value we can get. So this. So in these three questions, what we used mostly two formula. First formula is, suppose ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then root of this quadratic equation, suppose alpha and beta, then alpha plus beta will be nothing but minus b by a, and alpha beta will be c by a. This formula we used, and also another formula we used. This equation will give a positive root when a greater than 0 and d less than 0, right? So this is the video for today, and thank you for watching. And if you like this video, you can share with your friends, and you can give also feedback. Thank you so much. Bye.